Hi there kids! Today's topic is all about consonant digraph. Shh words. Let's get started. What is a digraph? A digraph is two letters that make one sound. The digraph can be made up of vowels or consonants. Today we'll only focus into consonant digraph. Shh words. S, H together makes a sh sound. S, H together makes a sh sound. Repeat the sound with me, kids. Sh, sh, sh. Initial sh words. Words that start with sh sound. Arc, shark. Repeat. Sh, arc, shark. Sh, L, shell. Sh, L, shell. Sh, ip, ship. Sh, ip, ship. Now let's learn medial sh words with sh in the middle. Mushroom, mushroom. Sunshine, sunshine. Fishing, fishing. Now let's learn final sh words. Words that ends with sh sound. K, ash, cash. K, ash, cash. H, ush, hush. H, ush, hush. Ish, fish. Ish, fish. Bye bye kids, see you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.